Hello. Auntie Lily got seafood delivery from Sea Wave Cold Storage. Let's check out my seafood delivery here. They are all delivered to me frozen, fresh vacuum pack. This is my white Pomfret. Just check them out. They are so fresh. Okay. And here is my salmon. I also have my, in the box, this is their prawn, sea white prawn. And this is my Saba fish. This is my Saba Mackerel Fillet. Okay. And this is my Tenggiri. Very big slice, very fresh. Just look at them. This is the cow here, mackerel here. Very fresh vacuum pack. I also have my Hokkaido scallop. And this is my Asari Lala. I also tried this frozen fresh mixed berry. Healthy and delicious. Okay, everything here is delivered to me from Sea Wave Cold Storage right to my doorstep.